Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn about something super fun, word families. Word families are groups of words that share the same ending sounds. When you know one word in a family, it becomes easier to read and spell other words in that same family. Isn't that exciting? Let's start with the OT family. When words end with OT, they rhyme with each other. Let's look at some OT words together. The word hot is in the OT family. Can you feel how your mouth moves when you say hot? Now let's try some more OT words. We have pot, that's what we cook soup in, and dot, that's a tiny round spot. There's also lot and got. Say these words with me: hot, pot, dot, lot, got. Don't they all sound similar at the end? Now, let's meet another wonderful word family, the in family. Words that end with in also rhyme with each other. Let's start with the word pin. That's something we use to hold pieces of paper together. Then we have win. That's what happens when you're first in a race. And bin. That's where we put things we don't need anymore. Let's practice saying these in words together: pin, win, bin. Here's something fun we can do. Let's make up sentences using our new word families. Listen to this. I put the hot pot on the dot. That's three OT words in one sentence. Now try this one. I win if I put the pin in the bin. Wow, that's three in words. Can you think of your own sentences using these word families? Remember, when you see a new word that ends in OT or IN, you already know how to sound it out. That's the magic of word families. They help us become better readers. Keep practicing these words at home, and soon you'll be reading them as quick as a flash. Thank you for learning about word families with me today. You all did a fantastic job.